Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina, and happy Walmart Thursday. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I always do a Walmart Wednesday video. Well, the last couple of weeks have been just a little crazy. Last week we had snow here in Texas, which doesn't happen. So the roads were not open for me to actually get to the store. And then this week, the stores still look crazy. And I'm honestly really surprised that it hasn't gotten better yet. But I'm gonna throw some pictures up here on the screen so you can kind of see what we're experiencing here. I think it's getting better today, but we've been, for the most part, trying to find bread and milk and eggs and meat. It's all gone. Every time I've made it to the store, I can't find stuff as easily as I have been able to find it in the past. So today was better. The stores were looking much better. I'm hoping that we are on our way to better times. So that is why my video is delayed. Normally you can expect me to post a video every Wednesday of the best Walmart deals. So these were the items that I was able to grab for this week. I was able to get all of these items completely free and made almost $3 buying it all. So of course I'm going to tell you exactly how I did that here in just a moment, as well as show you a ton of pictures of clearance items. I will include those at the end of the video. All right, so if you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you subscribe to the channel. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I've decided that once I hit the 3,000 subscriber mark, I will be doing another giveaway. So if you could help me get to that milestone, that would be super awesome. All right, so let's jump into these deals. The first deal I want to tell you about is on the Bic stationery products, which includes the Bic pens. These are priced at $1.57 at my store, and my Checkout 51 app is giving $2 back, which makes these completely free and a 43-cent moneymaker. So I used that Checkout 51 rebate at CVS this week because they are doing a promotion where you buy a Bic product to get $2 in extra care bucks back, and then Checkout 51 gave me $2 back, but it reset. So I went ahead and tried out this deal at Walmart today to see if it worked, and it did. So I bought these at $1.57, and my receipt has already processed with Checkout 51, and I got $2 back, making them free and a 43-cent moneymaker. Another great deal if you eat pasta, or shoot, if you even want to donate the pasta, is on this Skinner pasta. Check your Ibotta app and see if you have a 50-cent off or 50-cent back rebate on this item. These are only priced at 98 cents to begin with, and Ibotta is giving 50 cents back, making it just 48 cents for a pack of pasta, and the limit was 5, so I grabbed 2 of them because I thought that was a really great price point for pasta. Just scan the pasta and make sure that it qualifies for the rebate. It was only attaching to certain varieties, and this linguine obviously did attach, but I also scanned a bag of bow tie pasta and that one did not. So just make sure that you're checking your apps to make sure that what you're buying does in fact qualify for a rebate. If you don't have the Ibotta app yet, grab it using my referral code and you will unlock an opportunity to earn up to $20 in welcome bonuses. All right, so let's see, what was another good Ibotta deal? The Bic razors. So I saw a couple different rebates on Ibotta for Bic razors. One was for the Bic women's razors, one was for these Bic men's razors. Now, when I got into the store, only one of those offers was still showing. So I don't know what happened to the women's razor deal, but it went away by the time I walked into the store. But I picked up these Bic Hybrid Comfort 3 razors. They're priced at $5.97. Now, on the Bic website, you can print a coupon for $3 off. That will make these $2.97, and then Ibotta is giving $3 back, and again, the limit was, I think, 5. I grabbed 2 of them because I had 2 coupons, so it will make it free and a 3-cent moneymaker. But when I scanned the coupon at checkout, it did not go through. Now, I happened to luck out because this razor is printed on the coupon showing that it qualifies. So they did push the coupon through for me, which normally they don't do if I have a paper coupon, but they did. So just know when you print that coupon, it might not go through and the cashier may have to push it through for you. So good luck on that, but it does make them free and a 3-cent moneymaker. If you can find the women's razors, you can get an even better deal because I believe there are some women's razors priced around $4.97. And just double check your Ibotta app and see if you have that $3 on the Bic Soleil. I did, but like I said, when I walked in the store, for some reason the rebate disappeared, which is why I didn't end up purchasing them. Okay, another great deal, if your store has it, is on these cocktail artists. Now, only one store in my area carries these, and they have them marked on clearance. So I don't know how common this product is in your stores, but if you can find it, the Cocktail Artist mixers, these were priced at $3 on clearance, and the Coin Out app is giving $2 back, making this just $1, which is a fantastic price. So Coin Out is a super easy app to use. I have a tutorial on the Coin Out app. It's one of those where you can scan a receipt, any receipt, and it's going to give you some money back, but then they also have offers like Ibotta where you can get a specific dollar amount back. So if you're new and you want to try out the Coin Out app, please use my referral code that can be found in the video description box below. All right, another great deal that's been around for a while is this Maranatha almond butter. It's priced at 98 cents. These are the little individual packs, but the Shopkick app has a rebate for any Maranatha almond butter, and it is for 340 kicks back, which is equivalent to $1.36. So that makes this free and a 38-cent moneymaker. So again, if you don't have the Shopkick app, grab it using my referral code and you will get an additional 250 kicks back when you sign up and scan your first receipt. And if you're trying to figure out the number of kicks to dollars, you want to divide by 250. Okay, so 250 points or kicks is equivalent to $1. So if you have something that's 340 kicks, divide that by 250, you're going to get $1.36. So that's how I determine how many kicks are I'm going to get back on each item. If y'all have questions about that, let me know. I do have a complete tutorial on the Shopkick app as well. Another Shopkick offer is on these M&M bars. These are dangerous because they are super good. They are priced at $1.68. Now, when I bought this, I purchased it yesterday. My Shopkick app was giving me back 330 kicks, which is equivalent to $1.32. So I paid just 36 cents for this bar. Now, when I go into my app today, it's only showing 50 kicks back. So that's significantly less. So just double check your Shopkick app and see how many kicks back this product is giving. If it is 330, you would get $1.32 back, making this just 36 cents. And as someone who has perhaps eaten one of these, I can say that it's worth 36 cents. It's really tasty. Awesome, awesome deal if your store carries the New Leaf pull-ups. Okay, these are priced at $8.97. Now, you can print out $3 coupons from the Pull-Ups website, or you can submit your receipt to coupons.com and get $3 back. I purchased this for $8.97, and then I submitted my receipt to coupons.com, and I have already received the $3 back. It goes straight to my PayPal. So that's how I did this versus printing out the coupon. I also got back $3 on the Fetch Rewards app and $3 on Ibotta, making it completely free and a 3-cent moneymaker. Now, again, always check your apps because your rebates could be different than mine, and specifically with Fetch Rewards. That one seems to be the one that varies most between users. So definitely check your Fetch Rewards app before you buy the product and make sure that you also have that offer for $3 back. On Fetch Rewards, 3,000 points is equivalent to $3. So it's 1,000 points would be equivalent to $1 on the Fetch Rewards app. All right, another Shopkick deal was with the Gillette and the Ivory. So let me break this down for you because it actually is a Ibotta deal as well as a Shopkick deal. So there is an Ibotta offer for $1.50 back on the Gillette deodorant. Now, I scanned the travel size and it said it was included in that deal. So this was priced at $1.97. Ibotta was giving $1.50 back. I scanned it into the app. It said it qualified, so I did get that $1.50 back, but it also qualified for a 10-cent, I think it was like anti-aging item rebate. So I got $1.60 back on this product, making it just 37 cents. But there is a Shopkick offer for when you buy a Gillette item and the Ivory body wash, you would get 1,400 kicks back. So this one alone ended up being 37 cents after I bought it, okay? Then I purchased this Ivory also on the same shopping trip. This is priced at $3.97, but because I submitted my receipt to Shopkick as having bought both of these items, what they call a bundle, I got back 1,400 kicks. And 1,400 kicks divided by 250 means I got $5.60 back on buying both of these items. So that made this completely free and $1.63 moneymaker. So that was a great deal. And this is a big Ivory. This is 30 fluid ounces. So that's an awesome deal. All right. I also grabbed Poise pads. I grabbed 2 of these because of a Fetch Rewards offer as well as printable coupons from the Poise website. So these boxes are priced at $4.84 each. Now I bought 2 of them because I had a Fetch Rewards offer for $3 back and I could submit it up to 2 times. I then went to the Poise website and I printed out $3 coupons. So $4.84 minus 3, the $3 coupon, I paid $1.84 and I got $3 back on Fetch Rewards for each of them. So that made each of these $1.16 moneymaker, which was awesome. All right, did I tell you about everything? I think it did. Before I tell you about the clearance stuff, I do want to highlight another awesome YouTuber who has been incredibly supportive of me, which is amazing, but she's also dang good at finding awesome deals. Her channel name is Bargain Shopping with Tia J. Super sweet. She has the easiest voice in the world to listen to, but she always finds amazing clearance deals at Walmart. So if you're not already following her, I would definitely recommend you go check out her channel and follow her. Let her know I sent you. That would be awesome. But she posts regularly all of these amazing clearance finds, but she is really good at finding the clearance items that are not marked on clearance. So what they call hidden clearance or secret clearance. She is ridiculously good at finding those. So definitely check out her channel. And see the awesome deals that she's posting. I was pretty proud of myself because I found some hidden clearance this week as well. This was on a rack with a number of different items that were marked, I think it said $7. But I'm like, you know what? I want to know how much that scans for. So I took the Walmart app and I scanned the barcode and it rang up $1. Look how cute this shirt is. And it's like crazy soft. It's like a pajama shirt. I call it my nerdy birdie shirt because I'm a big nerd and the birds have glasses on. But $1. So there were so many of these on the rack as well. And I also grabbed this one. 'Tis the season, so it's still Christmas. Again, it was originally $9.97. The sign said $7, but when I scanned the barcode, $1. So awesome deal. If you're not already using the Walmart app, It's really user-friendly. When I click on the app on my phone, it automatically recognizes which Walmart store I'm in, and it'll pull up the address and tell me. And then there's a little barcode icon that you can click on, and you just take your phone and you scan the barcode, and it will tell you exactly the price of that item in your store. So it's a great way to double check the price of an item if something's not marked, or to see if an item that's marked on clearance is actually ringing up even cheaper than the marked price. Like I said, right now in my Walmart, there are so many items that are marked on clearance, and a lot of them are ringing up even cheaper than what the tag says. So again, I'm going to be posting some pictures at the end of this video. That way you know what to keep an eye out for. Of course, the clearance items can vary between stores. You're not going to know unless you're actually going into your Walmart to find out. The online clearance deals are completely different. All right, if y'all have any questions about any of this, please let me know down in the comments below. I hope you are all having a wonderful week, and I look forward to seeing you guys again soon. Thanks.